Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PV, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Raj Shikshan Samstha's RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen sequence, harmonic sequence, and we take some examples based on harmonic sequence. Now today we have to see the types of means of the sequences. Now first type is arithmetic. First mean is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. In short, we can write here AM. Arithmetic means if x and y be any two numbers are in AP, then arithmetic mean is denoted by A and defined by or given by A is equal to x plus y upon 2. Arithmetic mean is A is equal to x plus y upon 2. How it obtained? Now consider x, comma A and y are three numbers in AP. Then we can take common differences for these two consecutive terms and for these consecutive terms. That is, we can write here A minus x, common difference of these two, is equal to common difference of these two, that is y minus A. Then take minus term to the LHS, we can write A plus A equal to, take this minus x to the RHS, y plus x, that is 2A is equal to x plus y. Therefore, A is equal to x plus y upon 2. This is the arithmetic mean of the sequence. Okay. Now we see second type, geometric mean. In short, this can be written as in the form GM. Now here also we consider any two numbers in GP. If x and y are any two numbers in GP, in geometric progression, then geometric mean is denoted by the notation capital G. Geometric mean is denoted by capital G, and it is given by or defined by G is equal to under root x into y. G is equal to under root x into y. Here also we consider any three numbers in GP. Consider x, comma G and y are in GP, are in geometric progression. Then we can write common ratios of conjugative terms. Common ratio for these two consecutive terms and common ratio for these two consecutive terms, these are equal. Therefore we can write here G upon x is equal to y upon G. That is, taking cross multiplication, G into G square equal to x into y. Now taking square root on both sides, we can write this G is equal to under root x into y. Okay, this is the geometric mean for the sequence. Third type is harmonic mean. Number third, harmonic mean. In short, we can write HM. Here also we consider three numbers. First we consider two numbers in HM, that is H harmonic progression or harmonic sequence. If X and Y are two numbers in harmonic progression, then harmonic mean of the sequence is denoted by H, capital H, and it is defined by H is equal to 2 into X into Y upon X plus Y. Now these two numbers X, Y are in HP. Here also we consider any three numbers in harmonic progression. Consider X, H and Y are in HP. Then reciprocals of these numbers are in AP, that is 1 upon X, 1 upon H and 1 upon Y are in arithmetic progression. Okay, therefore in arithmetic progression we can write common differences of conjugative terms. First we write common difference for these two conjugative terms. Then we can write here 1 upon H, or we can write using this formula for the arithmetic mean is equal to X plus Y upon 2, or we know that if three numbers in AP, we write here common differences 1 upon H minus 1 upon X is equal to 1 upon Y minus 1 upon H. That is, take this minus term to the LHS, 1 upon H plus 1 upon H is equal to 1 upon X plus 1 upon Y, that is 2 upon H is equal to, take addition here, X plus Y upon X into Y. That is, we can write here taking cross product 2 into X into Y upon this X plus Y equal to H. That is, H is equal to 2 into X into Y upon X plus Y. This is the harmonic mean. Okay, H is equal to 2 into X into Y upon X plus Y. Now using these formulae, we have to solve some examples. One more result is there. Number 4. If A, G and H are arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. If A, G and H are arithmetic mean, that is AM, GM and HM, then we get G square equal to H. This is the first result, G square is equal to H, and second result is arithmetic mean, that is A is greater than or equal to G is greater than or equal to H. We have to use these two results also for the solving examples. Now we take first example here. Find AM, first example. Find AM of two positive numbers whose GM and HM are, whose GM and HM 4 and 16 upon 5. 4 and 16 upon 5 respectively. Okay, now we see answer for this. We have to give one geometric mean and harmonic mean for the sequence, and we have to find the arithmetic mean. Now answer for this. Given that geometric mean, that is GM, is equal to G is equal to 4, and harmonic mean HM is equal to 16 upon 5. HM is equal to H is equal to 16 upon 5, and we have to find the value of AM, and AM equal to A equal to question mark. Okay, now we know that results. We know that arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean. First, arithmetic mean, A is equal to x plus y upon 2. Geometric mean, G is equal to under root x into y. And harmonic mean, H is equal to 2 into x into y upon x plus y. And x and y are any two positive numbers here. Now we have to find A, that is AM. Now we can say here equation first, equation second, and equation third. Now put value of G in equation 2 and value of H also in equation 3. Put values of G and H in equation second and third respectively. Therefore, we can write here 4 equal to under root x into y, and 16 upon 5 is equal to x 2 into xy upon x plus y. Upon x plus y. Now say this as equation number fourth, and this equation number is 5. Now taking square of equation 4, taking square of equation 4 on both sides. Therefore we can write here square of 4 is 16 equal to under root x into y bracket square. Square root and square cancel out, remains only 16 equal to x into y. Now put this value of x into y in equation 5. Put in equation 5. Put in equation 5. Therefore this equation becomes 16 upon 5 as it is equal to 2 into x into y, 2 into 16 upon x plus y. Now simplifying this, we can write here, take this x plus y to the LHS, x plus y is equal to 2 into 16 upon this 16, 5 into 5. Okay, now this 16 upon 16 cancel out, remains only x plus y is equal to 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10, that is we get x plus y is equal to 10. Now put this value of x plus y equal to 10 in equation first. Okay, put in equation first. Put in equation first. Therefore equation first becomes a equal to 10 upon 2, that is equal to 5. That is arithmetic mean equal to a is equal to 5. Okay, this is the answer for this example. Now we see next example. Find GM of two positive numbers. Find GM. Find GM of two positive numbers whose AM and HM are whose AM and HM are 75 and 48. 75 and 48. Now answer for this. In this example we have to given that arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is 75 and harmonic mean is 48, and we have to find geometric mean. We can solve this example by two methods. First, we can use formulae for arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean, or we can use result g square equal to ah. Okay, we solve this example by using result g square equal to ah. Now consider given terms. Consider given terms here, that is AM equal to A is equal to 75, comma HM is equal to H is equal to 42, and we have to find GM. GM is equal to G equal to question mark. Okay, now we know that the result is G square is equal to A into H, or G is equal to under root A into H. Under root A into H. Now put values of A and H here, arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Therefore we can write here G is equal to under root A means 75 into H means 48. Now solving this, we can write G is equal to under root 75 means 25 into 3. 25 into 3. 25 3s are 75 into 48. 48 means 16 into 3. 16 3s are 48. That is 16 into 3. We can write here G is equal to under root 25 into 16, and this 3 into 3 means 9. And we can find the square root of all these numbers. Square root of 25 is 5, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. That is G is equal to 5 into 4 into 3. That is, taking product G is equal to, we get 5 into 4 20, 20 into 3 60. That is geometric mean. Geometric mean is equal to G is equal to 60. This is the answer for this example. Very simple. By using this result G square equal to H, we can find the geometric mean, and geometric mean equal to G is equal to 60. Okay. Now we see next example here. Insert two numbers between between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, so that the resulting sequence so that the resulting sequence is HP. Now we see answer for this example. Now resulting sequence is a harmonic progression. Therefore, we consider required two numbers are 1 upon h1 and 1 upon h2. Okay. Now we say answer for this. Let 1 upon h1 and 1 upon h2 be two required numbers therefore the sequence HP can be written as in the form 1 upon 4 comma 1 upon h1 comma 1 upon h2 comma 1 upon 3. This is the harmonic progression. If we take reciprocals of these, then we can write 4 upon 1, that is 4 comma h1 comma h2 comma 3. Now these are the numbers in arithmetic progression. We can write here R in HP, and reciprocals of these are in AP. Now in this AP, first term is 4. Here, first term is equal to A is equal to 4 equal to T1. And this is second term, this is third term, and this is fourth term. And T4 is equal to A plus 3D. A plus 3D. Now we can write here T4 means 3. 3 is equal to value of A is 4, first term of a arithmetic progression. 4 plus 3D. That is, we can find here D. 3D equal to 3 minus 4. 3D equal to 3 minus 4. That is, 3D equal to minus 1. 3D is equal to minus 1. And we get D is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. This is the common difference. Okay. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we have to find the values of H1 and H2. Values of H1 and H2. Now H1 means second term, T2. Now H1 equal to T2 is equal to A plus D. A plus D. We know that terms of an APR. First term is A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D, and so on. Therefore, H1 equal to T2 is equal to, put values of A and D here. A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 1 by 3. That is, H1 is equal to T2 is equal to, take this addition, 4 into 3, 12, minus 1 upon 3. That is, H1 is equal to T2 is equal to 11 upon 3. 11 upon 3. And we can find H2, third term. And T3 equal to H2. H2 is equal to, third term is A plus 2D. Therefore, we can write here T3 equal to H2, putting values of A and D. A is equal to 4, 2 into value of D minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. That is, H2 equal to T3 is equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 upon 3. That is, H2 equal to T3 equal to, taking addition, 12 minus 2 upon 3 we get H2 is equal to T3 equal to 12 minus 2 means 10 upon 3. We get values of H1 and H2. H1 is equal to 11 by 3 and H2 is equal to 10 by 3. Now we want to find the numbers 1 upon H1 and 1 upon H2. Therefore 1 upon H1 is equal to 1 upon 11 by 3. Taking reciprocal we get 3 upon 11 and 1 upon H2 is equal to 1 upon 10 upon 3. Here we get 3 upon 10. That is values of 1 upon H1 equal to 3 upon 11 and 1 upon H2 equal to 3 by 13. Therefore, the inserted numbers in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 are 3 upon 11 and 3 upon 10. Okay, these are the required numbers. Now we see next example here. Now next example, insert 4 terms insert 4 terms between 2 and 22. Between 2 and 22, so that the new sequence is an AP. So that the new sequence is an AP, means arithmetic progression. Okay, now we see answer for this. Now here resulting sequence is arithmetic progression. Therefore we consider inserted 4 numbers are A1, A2, A3 and A4. Suppose A1, A2, A3 and A4 are required numbers in AP. Okay, therefore we can write arithmetic progression by using these numbers 2, A1, A2, A3, A4, 22 and so on are in arithmetic progression. Okay, now here we consider this is the first term, T1 means A, T2 second term, T3, T4, T5 and T6. There are 6 terms here. Now here first term is equal to A is equal to, we can say T1 equal to 2. First term of arithmetic progression is A equal to 2. So this is first term, second, third, fourth, fifth and this is sixth term, T6. And T6 is equal to 22. Okay. Now we know that formula for nth term of arithmetic progression, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now in this equation put first term A is equal to 2 and 6, n is equal to 6. We have to find sixth term, therefore put n is equal to 6 here. Put A equal to 2 and n is equal to 6. Therefore we can find here common difference D. T6 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 means 6 minus 1 into D. Now value of T6 is 22. Value of T6 is 22 is equal to 2 plus 6 minus 1 means 5d. Therefore we can write here 5d equal to 22 minus 2, that is 5d equal to 20. Therefore d is equal to 20 upon 5, that is we get value of d. Therefore d is equal to 4. Now here a is equal to 2, first term of a sequence, and d is equal to 4, common difference of the sequence. Now we have to find the values of a1, a2, a3 and a4. a1 is the second term, first term is 2. Here a1 is equal to t2, and we know that second term of arithmetic progression is a plus d. a1 equal to t2 equal to a plus d. Put values of a and d here, that is a1 equal to t2 equal to a means 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Now third term a2, we can find values of a1, a2, a3. a2 equal to t3 equal to a plus 2d equal to a means 2 into 4, that is 2 plus 8, 4 into 2 8 equal to 10. We get a2 equal to t3 is equal to 10. a3 equal to t4 is equal to a plus 3d, that is equal to a means 2 plus 3 into 4, that is a3 is equal to t4 is equal to a plus 3d is equal to 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. This is the value of a3. Next value is a4. a4 is fifth term, that is t5, and t5 is equal to, we can write here a plus 4d, a plus 4d. These are the terms of AP. First term a, second term a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d. 6 terms in AP: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Now this is the fifth term a4. We can put values of a and d here. a4 equal to t5 equal to 2 plus 4 into d. d means 4, that is 2 plus 16 equal to 18. Therefore the required numbers a1, a2, a3, a4 are: a1 is 6, comma, a2 means 10, comma, a3 means 14 and a4 means 18. These numbers 6, 10, 14 and 18 are inserted between the numbers 2 and 22, and then resulting sequence is an arithmetic progression, okay, whose first term is 2, and we can find common difference using terms of sequence 2 and 6. 2 consecutive terms, 6 minus 2 equal to 4, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Common difference is 4, and first term is a equal to 2. Okay, now these are the required numbers 6, 10, 14 and 18, which are inserted between 2 and 22. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.